Good evening, everyone. This is our weekend stock market insights for all of you guys, and we are going to cover the remaining stocks that you have requested, and I already have them. Okay, so as you can see, these were the stocks we have reviewed as of yesterday, and I see that some of your requests have already been reviewed, so I highly encourage you guys to check out our video recorded or our live yesterday, and you will see these stocks as these are the stocks we have reviewed as of yesterday. But now I was able to collate everything, and we are going to cover these stocks for today. Okay, so let us start with IRC. For IRC, okay, so in for IRC, we've seen some price rejection around the MA20 line. So sometimes it does not really reach the exact line. Okay, so let's make this thicker so that you'd see. So the lines should be thicker. There you go. All right. So as you can see, the orange line, that is your MA20 line, meaning that's the moving average in the past 20 days. Now, I am thinking this stock might experience some retracement in the coming days and might revisit the 1.30 area. Okay, because right now, even though it did not reach the MA20 line, this kind of candlestick is a bearish candlestick. So, if you want to get in this particular stock, wait till the price reaches around 1.30 area to around 1.32. Okay, 1.30 to 1.32 area, as we feel that this stock might potentially revisit the support once again. Okay, the next one is ferro. For ferro, let us see. So this is the support that we see for ferro. There you go, around 4.60 area. So we might see some more green candlesticks in the coming days, and just look at your MA20 line, because that will serve as your possible resistance for this stock. So if you are in it as a trader, I suggest try to haggle if the price gives you a chance around the support area, and then enter around here, and then when it reaches this level around 5.14, that could be your profit taking area. Okay, so guys, just be a little patient. Sometimes you really wanted to get in a particular stock, but if it's not yet the right timing, just hold on to that temptation. Okay, wait till it reaches back at the 4.60 area, or maybe if you really want to get in around 2% higher, that okay, that way 4.60 to 4.70 area, so that will be your best entry price. So let us say you enter at that price, your possible profit is around 8%, 8.5%. Okay, next, so support and resistance. Tech, let's go. Third stock would be tech. For tech, okay, let's see. Okay, there is a dividend scheduled. November 6th is the ex date. Now, let's check out tech. So price was on a decline. Price was on a decline while the RSI is now moving in an upward direction. So what we can see here is exactly what the indicator suggests. So you already had a declining price, RSI moving up, so you had that bounce. Okay. However, just be extra careful because when the price reached near the MA20 line, there was some price rejection. So the safest, if I may recommend, of course, the nearer you are to the support area, the better. Okay, that is if the price gives us a chance at that level, because sometimes it will also experience a breakout. So here, it slightly moved above the MA20 line, but it was not sustained. That's why it got rejected. Here, it also tried to reach the MA20 line. So when the price action is moving below the MA20 line, then your MA20 line can act as your resistance. And true enough, here it did not manage to break that resistance. That's why you had experienced some more declines. And I'm thinking the same uh, fate for this price level. It might revisit the support once again. Okay, so 8.04 is the best support at the moment. And the next would be SSI. SSI. For SSI, okay, you are not yet in a safe level for SSI. So this is a bearish candlestick. So it's possible that there was a decline and then it retraced or it bounced but not high enough. So I'm thinking we still experience some more declining price movement in the coming days. So where is the next support? This could be your next support around this level because this was the resistance, right? So you have to check out. So the way you should plot your support is locate the current price at the moment and then screen from that point downwards. If you see some spot where price stops at that level multiple times, then that could be a possible support. The more instances or so, if you see more days ending at that price, then that could be it. Okay. And another rule of thumb, a previous resistance can act as a support. So in this situation, previously there was this was your resistance. The price was trying to break out of that ceiling, okay? And then eventually it managed to break that and it revisited that area. It became a support now. And then all the way up. Now, right now, the price is just resting, and potentially you will again experience this area as a support. So, try to see if 2.42 will be revisited. That's the best entry price. Next is gtcap. For gtcap, okay, so we're just near the area of support. So, it's a good time to also start accumulating this stock. That is the support for GT Cup. So price is just on a sideways for several days here, but your price action is already moving in an upward direction. So that could also be a good sign that any moment from now, this stock will go on a bull run, meaning a bullish move upward direction. Okay, so that is the support that we see. Next one. Okay, so guys, I'm just using a free recording, so I might record part two of this in a short while. So APX would be next. This is APX. You're now at the support area for APX.